Viewers, we are in front of Popular Heights 2 Society, and currently I have in front of me Miss Patricia Phillips, and she is facing a peculiar problem. And for this particular problem, if this needs to be solved immediately, the only solution is Pune Municipal Corporation and Pune Collectorate should pitch in. Let's go to Patricia Madam directly and understand what is the problem. Ma'am, please.
We are out from yesterday. We are in trouble, high trouble. We don't have a house to go anywhere. We don't know where to go. The rents are so dangerous over here. 30,000.
What exactly has happened? Which is your house?
That is my house.
Which one?
This one, the end, where the full thing is sunk.
So viewers, you can see the debris which is at right side, and cameraman, I can please you come this side. The house is just adjacent to the debris.
Yes. That is the place where I stay.
Till now, do you
Till
think?
now,
Till
yeah.
now, any communication from PMC or
Everybody
government
came.
authority?
Everybody came. There's no help till now.
Any confirmation that they'll build this?
People are saying many things, but nobody's come front.
They'll build this wall. Any confirmation on this?
No, nothing.
So your point is, people are coming, authorities are coming. They're giving some promises, but at the end of the day, if this wall is not built, there is
The danger to the full building.
the safety issue remain 101% for this building.
And the full building is empty today.
And perhaps this is the only issue. This building is empty. The moment this issue reaches the flats which are on ground floor, there is full possibility that this building can fall.
It will fall down.
This may fall down.
It will fall down. If this thing's over here, it's gone.
So now, Miss Patricia is expecting government authorities to pitch in and to build the wall on quick basis.
Very quick basis. If you can do soon as possible to build this place and help us out, that we can stay back in our own houses again. That's only a request.
So now my question is to Pune Collector Suhas Devse, Dr. Suhas Devse, and Pune Municipal Corporation Commissioner Rajendra Bhosle. Bhosle ji and Devse Sahib, people of this building, they have vacated the building. They are no more residing in this.
Staying there.
But I'm sure to construct this wall will take some time, and this is just because the bank of river has been played with for the beautification of this area in the name of Smart Pune City. If government do not pitch into it immediately, these people would continue to remain outside because this building can fall down at any time.
And the rents are horrible here. 30,000, 45,000 rents they're asking. Where can we afford it? To live in Koregaon Park, you need 35 to 40,000 rupees rent. It's not possible.
Did you speak to any of the public servants?
Everybody I spoke to. There's no response. All are promising, doing nothing.
So after helpless communication, after helpless overall struggle with the authorities, the people who are residing here continue to struggle to get actual job which is expected from the authorities. Promises are there, job is yet to be done. For Punekar News, Tikam Shekhawat and Sumit Singh.